Hi there, it's Bernadette, the School of Renovating. So I'm currently doing a little series on the 3 nuanced skills that you need to develop in order to be a profitable renovator. And yesterday I talked about getting the right property. Also yesterday, the RBA increased the interest rates by 0.25%. So I thought it would be a good idea to just have a little chat about that in order to broaden our perspective. Now, whenever you're looking to buy a property to add value, you're always balancing out the potential for increased value of the property against the cost to produce that. So obviously, the first thing is that you want to make sure that you do two things: a cash flow calculation, and secondly, a exit plan, a robust exit plan, or plan B, as we call it. It's probably not really an exit plan. So you've really got your insurance policies in there. But the reality is, when you're renovating for profit, the interest rate is rarely a consideration. It's really around what you're able to buy at and what you can do with that property to improve its value, and so on. The second thing is, you've heard the expression, you make your profit when you buy. When there is an upset, like there is at the moment with interest rates, for those of us who are really committed to our goals, it's an opportunity to be able to make future profit by buying at a really, really good price. So keep your eyes and ears open. And the third thing is that then you can look at maybe some other projects that you have in the pipeline. So for instance, we're looking at buying a property in self-managed super fund. And so the timing is actually quite good for us because, we're wanting to buy it quite low in price and to be able to buy cash and not have a loan. And so then, the interest rates don't impact that at all. So it's a great outcome. So I guess the key thing about times when you have challenges is there are opportunities for creativity. And you really do need to keep that in perspective, because if you spiral down a rabbit hole and, interest rates are going up, they're never going to stop and the world's going to end, then it takes away your capacity to be creative and find the silver lining in the dark cloud. So I hope that helps. So just remember, make sure that you do a cash flow so that you know what it's costing you to hold the property. And secondly, make sure you have a robust plan B, because we don't know we never know what's going to happen, but sometimes we think we do. And keep it all in perspective.